Imagine you're leading a scientific expedition deep into an uncharted jungle. In the past, you'd rely on mules, riverboats, or Sherpas to carry supplies across unpredictable terrain. But not today. Today, you are riding Corleo, a hydrogen-powered, AI-driven robotic mount. This isn't sci-fi. That's what exploration could look like in the coming decades. Our team sets out at a dawn. Each explorer rides a Corleo, Kawasaki experimental four-legged AI platform. Instead of wheels, it walks. Instead of fuel, it uses hydrogen. And instead of handlebars, it's controlled by subtle shifts in weight and posture. Thanks to advanced AI models, including reinforcement learning and natural feedback loop, Corleo can predict terrain patterns, maintain balance and mossy slopes, and even suggest optimal routes using real-time sensor fusion. As if the group enters a remote village, they are met with skepticism. The locals aren't impressed by the robots. They question whether machines like Corleo respect their land and traditions. This isn't just a test of technology, it's a test of diplomacy. The explorers listen, explain the purpose, and they invite villagers to ride Corleo. Minds begin to open. A storm rolls in. The team has to choose: press forward across the narrow mountain pass, risking speed and safety, or wait it out and delay their mission. They choose to trust AI. Corleo's predictive model, trained on thousands of simulated terrain weather scenarios, recommends an alternative ride trail, less exposed and more stable. Midway, a landslide wipes out a planned path. Where a human might hesitate, Corleo acts. Its transformer-based vision system maps debris, finds footholds autonomously, and leads the team through a ravine detour. It's not just mobility, it's problem-solving in real time. As they ascend towards the final camp, Corleo suddenly stops. Its ground-penetrating sensor flags out an anomaly. The team investigates and finds remnants of an ancient structure. A moment of Ave, AI and archaeology colliding in a chance encounter. What began as a tech demo becomes an educational detour. The explorers reflect, this wasn't just a journey through a jungle, this was a journey through uncertainty. And at each challenge, AI helped them to move forward. They learn to trust a system that not only reacts, but learns. And doing so, they gain more confidence in their own skills. Sounds fantastic, right? But if humans were to explore Mars or live in remote, hostile environment, this kind of AI mobility isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Corleo is not just a buzzword, it's the beginning of a shift on how we move, explore, and solve problems. This is a rideable AI revolution, and we've just only saddled up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, where would you ride a Corleo?